things you'll find in the bush that you wouldn't have found if there hadn't have been a big fire. It kind of has opened everything up, and you can actually see where the old timers have been if you take the time to maybe do a 10-kilometre walk up into the bush. You'll start to see things that interest me, and then all of a sudden I realise the old boys, it's interested them too. It's eerie in the bush when it's like this and you're all alone. But it's also really beautiful. And it's nature repairing itself. These are old lands and they're burnt many times. It's just that us humans are here now. And we've altered our environment. It's another test hole. And another one. And I know where this goes back down to. I've worked the ground fairly significantly. So I'll just leave you with the beautiful, beautiful view that's out there.